Easy 2 points, El Solitario. Foul. Foul, jersey number 11, Serdi Guzman. First personal foul and first team foul. 14 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Santos. Seconds, 2 points, Sir Luka. Out of bounds, Highness ball. Falcons ball. Easy 2 points, Sir Rojas. Ganda ng pasa. Asa sa kalaban. 2 points, Sir Lopez. Serdi Guzman, pasok sa gitna. Out of bounds, Falcons ball. Nice football, Sir Lopez, 2 points. Sir Portugal, first personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Down.
Saan siya? Nandun na ngayon? Ngayon na? Nandun na ngayon? Ako na lang. Pagkay pa si Yula. Saan siya sasakay mamaya? O driver? Hindi yung kaya. Ay! Pwede naman tupiin lang. Nakatabi sa kanya. Okay lang.
10 seconds. Traveling.
Sorry.
Tough shot, 2 points. Sirs. Ten seconds. Steal. Seconds. Oh. First personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for serve of God.
Electric fan. Ay, pero mo ka. Ay, pero mo ka electric fan.
Foul jersey number 11, Sergio Guzman, and that's his second personal foul and second team foul. Serve with God. Falcons ball. 20 seconds. Steal. Sergio Guzman mamadali. 4 versus 2. 4 versus 3. Sa Bautista. Ang ganda na pasa. 2 points. Sir Mapa nag-iisa sa dulo. Kala ko dadakdak. 2 points, Sir Mapa. Offensive foul.
Dalawa na yun, dalawa.
No. Sir Santos nagmamadali. 1 versus 2. Foul. Foul jersey number 12, Sir Mapa, and that's his first personal foul and third team foul. 2 shots for Sir Wolfgang. Easy, 2 points. Who's foul, ref? 11. 7, sorry. Sir Bautista. First personal foul, third team foul. Shot clock po is 14 seconds. Bola yan! Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Good. Sir lumakat nagmamadali. Pasa Sir Mapa. Naghihintay ng kasama. Nakita si Sir Ignacio. 2 points. One minute. Ten seconds. Pass to Sir Lumakat. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points. Sir Lumakat. Steal. Sir Mapa, pass to Sir Maristela. Easy 2 points, Sir Maristela. Wala na pong shot clock. 20 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock. 15 seconds. 2 points, Sir Wolfgang. 5 seconds. And the first quarter. Official score po natin is 19-15. 4-point lead para po sa the Yellow Falcons. Three-point basket. Ten seconds. Nice hook shot by Sir Rosales. 2 points. Ten seconds. Orange Hyenas nagmamadali. 4 versus 2. Anong gagawin? Akin na yan. Foul. Who's my rep? Number 3. Jersey number 3. First personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Tai. Nice pass kay Sir Leona. Naagawan. Pass to Sir Leona. Rebounded by Sir Wolfgang. Sir Wolfgang nagmamadali. 2 versus 2. Anong gagawin? Akin na yan. Easy 2 points, Sir Wolfgang. Power rebound by Sir Rosales. Second personal foul and second team foul. Ten seconds. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 26. Rebounded by Sir Maristela. Highness ball. Seconds. Nice pass, 2 points, Sir Rosales. Easy 2 points, Sir Maristela. Ten seconds. Block. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Easy 2 points, Sir Rosales. Out of bounds, Highness ball. Lamang na po ang Orange Highness ng isa. 24-25. Anong gagawin ni Sir Wolfgang? Tumuturo. Umigot. Block. Who's for rep? Sorry po. Number 12. 7. Sorry, 7. Second personal foul and 13 foul. Sir Roques nagmamadali. Naghahanap na babasaan. Nakita niya mag-isa lang siya. Diniretso na. 2 points. Sir Roques. All 26. Pass to Sir Solitario. No good. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Block. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Steal. Pasa kay Sir Roques. Mag-isa na naman. Easy 2 points. Change 5. Falcons ball. Nice defense. Jersey number 12. Sir lumakat nagmamadali 3 versus 4. Pumasok sa gilid, pasa sa gitna. Easy 2 points, Sir Ignacio. Falcons ball. Kuha ni Serratoria. Asok sa gitna. Foul, jersey number 7, Sir Bautista. And that's his second personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Serratoria. Nice! 2 points, Serratoria. 10 na po ang inahabol ng Orange China. Simbo, 13 seconds. Easy 2 points. Steal. Serve ka mag-isa. Aha. Good. 2 points. Serve ka. Nasa sa ilalim, 10 seconds. Sir Solitario, easy, 2 points. Sir Portugal, 2 points. Habol kung sino makakakuha. Steal yan. Foul. Counted. Who's foul rep? 24. Sir Ignacio. Sir Ignacio, first personal foul and warning for penalty. Bonus shot for Sir Wolfgang. Steal. Nakita si Sir Solitario. Naipit. Kuha pa rin Sir Wolfgang. Foul. Penalty. Oh, jersey number 25. Sir Portugal. Second personal foul and penalty. 2 free throws for Sir.
Wala si Mami, bis? Baksan mo kasi! Committee's timeout. Mga sir, pasuyo daw muna yung mga motor doon. Saan banda, sir? Mga motor daw po banda doon. Sige po, committee's timeout muna. Pasuyo muna po yung mga motor. Katigoy, nasan?
10 seconds. Wala na po shot clock, ha? 15 seconds. Wala na shot clock. Nice fake. 2 points. Sir Mapa. 5 seconds.
Ay, nako!
Ay, nako! Makakadisgrasya kayo. Jules, ay ano, kaya naman na, kapigyo, cellphone mo. Rida.
Ref, ilan po ang pumasok? Dalawa. Thank you po.
Ay, nasan yung isang power bank?
Oo, nasa ko. May take pala. Masingil mo na.
Sinabi ko na.
Sige, pakulit mo muna.
Super, Sir Rosales.
Ah, sira yung power bank.
Super, Sir Rosales. All 42. Rebounded by Sir Rosales.
Pag malapit na ulian mo, ibubok na kita ang
Steal. Out of bounds, Falcons ball. We are tied at 42.
Zero po yan. Zero tayo ha.
Two points, Sir Maristela.
Depensa tayo, depensa. Depensa na lang.
Sir Roques. 2 versus 3. Umikot. Easy 2 points, Sir Roques. Steal.
Pinupuli mo yung kapatid mo ha.
Serve of God, nagmamadali mag-isa. Foul. Counted. Third personal foul and first team foul. Bonus free throw for Sir Wolfgang.
Dalawa lang.
Buko na ito.
Dalawa lang akin ba? Pakalawa to ko. Isa pa lang nun eh. Yung isa yung kanina yung kasama mo. Paras pa yung number? Hindi. Ito lang ang sinasalpa kanina. Pagkilong ng kalikuran.
Rebounded by Sir Portugal. Nagmamadali ang Yellow Falcons 4 versus 3. Easy 2 points, Sir Rockets. Rebounded by Sir Portugal. Wow! Who's foul rep? Foul, jersey number 24, Sir Cadigot. First personal foul and first team foul.
Meron naman po, super tayo po nagpapalangay sa mga Pilipino. Inuhuli tayo mga ay yung bagyong
Steal. Pass to Sir Maristela. Easy 2 points, Sir Maristela. Kuha pa rin na sa Wolfgang. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Timeout. Orange Highness.
Wala.
Three-point basket by Sir Wolfgang. Official score, 56-48. 8-point lead para po sa Yellow Falcons. Wow! Foul jersey number 24, Sir Cadigoy. And that's his second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Portugal.
Wala ka na.
Wow!
Wala na.
Sir Portugal, fourth personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Wolfgang.
Ako yung coach nyo, ha? Hindi ko pa marunong mag-drive. Pag wala, pag ang aeroplano drive mo, patay ka na. Dati 16 na nakabang!
Power rebound by Sir Portugal.
Wag mo may stop. Baka Hoy, wag! Alala!
2 points. Change 5.
What's up?
Ako na bahala sa bata.
You're down. You're down.
Pinapunta ka sa bahay.
Where's goal?
Out of bounds. Falcons score.
Huh? Subuhan kita, Travis.
Foul. Sir Ignacio. Sir Cadigo.
Banggay mo yung ano?
What's ball rep? Sir Bautista, third personal foul and third team foul. Minus ball. Falcons ball. 3 minutes. Steve, nice pass kay Sir Cadigoy. 2 points, Sir Cadigoy. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Yellow Falcons.
Nice pass.
Foul. Foul, jersey number 7, Sir Bautista, and that's his 4th personal foul and 4th team foul.
K9, ano ba yun? Nagtutol! Uy, ayaw mo dito Lahatin mo, baba!
So, pa meron na din.
Foul, jersey number 12, 1st personal foul and 4th team foul.
Di ba mag-drive ang aeroplano?
Parehas po 4th team foul.
Ano ba yun?
14 seconds. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Maristela. Steve. Foul. Foul, jersey number 12, Sir Ratoria, and that's his 2nd personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Cadigoy.
Gusto ko naman. Subuhan ka lang ata. Subuhan kita. Yak! Ano? Friend! Ha? Last na lang.
Sir Mapa, second personal foul and penalty.
Uy! Uy, isang paling kita, no? Ano, humul to? Humul. Humul. Humul ganito, dikit. Kuha lang. Humul? Guys, kita na humul. Ano mo na yung humul? Ano mo ba? Humul pa.
Bis! Aray ko!
Hindi naman ako yun, si Travis yun.
And we are tied at 57. Sir Ignacio. Putback, wala. Kuha ni Sir Kadigoy. Was foul rep? Sir Ignacio, penalty po tayo rin, penalty. Sir Ignacio, third personal foul and penalty.
Mark, dalawa Mark.
2 shots for Sir Kadigoy.
Silang po, pre.
Labang na po ang Orange Highness. 58-57. Steal! Grabe naman yan sa Kadigoy. Nagmamadali. Woo! Easy 2 points, Sir Kadigoy.
Bakit parehas kayo naka-red?
One minute.
Dami yan!
2 points, Sir Maristela. Nice steal. Sir Kadigoy, pasa sa ilalim. Wala, nakuha ni Sir Rosales. Pasa Sir. Sir Guzman, wala pa rin. Rebounded by Sir Lumakat. Sir Maristela, nag-iisa. 2 points.
Wala, oras.
Wala na pong shot clock. 5 seconds. Wala nang shot clock.
Oras, tira! Tira!
Sayang.
Felipe, iniwan siya dito.
Rebounded by Sir Portugal. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Sir Bufkan nakatingin sa likod, nagmamadali. Nawala ang bola. Sir Leona. Pasa Sir. Balik kay Sir Leona. Rebounded by... Nawala ang bola. Sayang. Offensive foul.
Offensive talaga, offensive. Kakalmahan nyo lang. Babaan mo dito.
Nangyari, te? Hindi ko nakita.
Sir Roque's second personal foul.
Nakita ko pero malapit.
Second personal foul. Technical free throw for Orange Highness.
ka? Ano? Goal.
Steal! Si Leona pasa si Roques. Easy 2 points, Sir Roques. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Sir Portugal, pasa kay Sir Roques, nag-iisa. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 28, Sir Genova. Genova. First personal foul, first team foul.
Kainan ko na gamot.
10 seconds.
Masakit na naman pa ako.
Rebounded by Sir Maristela.
Sabado, alam mo naman kainin, pastil.
Foul. Foul, Sir Hinopas. Second personal foul and second team
Dahil sabi mo
foul.
sunod.
Substitution.
Asin.
Huwag na magpasin.
Hindi, ano yung ginagamit na yung tatong kumina. Ba't sabihin mo rin?
Gaya!
Baka mas-default pa kalaban namin, wala pa sila. Ilan na kayo? Hindi, punta na ako, nagigigil ako. Sinakaraan, kalaban namin.
Sir Roques nagmamadali na naman 1 versus 2. Hindi yan po pwede sa Orange Highlands. Sir Cadigoy. Lucky ball.
Ay, bading! Ay, bakla!
Serve of Gang, second personal foul.
Ay, bading!
Tough shot. 2 points. Sir Roques.
Ayan, God Warrior! Dapat sa dito.
Who's far ref?
Also,
Substitution ref.
Parehas kayong
Substitution po.
Parehas kayong balik.
Who's foul rep? Sir Portugal.
Hindi naman pa may dalaan jersey.
Nasa kamay, sino kumain ng mangis?
Sir Portugal, 5th personal foul. Graduate po. Second team foul.
Kumakain ka ba ng mangisan? Ako di kumakain ng... Nasa kamay, sino na... Nasa kamay, sino ilig mo sa fast food ng ibang... Sabi ka na, nung ako kumakain mo lagi. Subway. Subway. Walang ganyan. Ay, bawal yung okay. Nabuhay ako. Ang gulay.
Sir Leon.
Papa mo 3 points.
Steal.
Palakpakan mo.
Another steal. Sir Cadigoy nagkamadali 3 versus 2. Pinasa sa gilid. Easy 2 points. Sir Di Guzman. seconds. Rebounded. Sir De Guzman nagmamadali 3 versus 2. Pasa Sir Cadigoy. Easy 2 points.
Hindi pa kasi yun, tinulak yung si...
10 seconds. Steal. Sir Maristela, perimeter shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Ignacio. Easy 2 points. Sir Ignacio. Robin. Blocking foul. Foul, jersey number 11, Sir De Guzman, and that's his 3rd personal foul and 3rd team foul.
Mainit na ulo.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wolfgang nagmamadali 3 versus 2. Anong gagawin? Nawala ang bola. Falcons ball. Offensive foul. Sir Roques. Sir Wolfgang. Pasok sa gitna. Umikot.
Puro foul na lang to.
Who's foul rep? 24. 2 shots for Sir Wolfgang.
Aray, bis! Ah! Manipis ng buko, bis. Mas bakit siya ba?
Rabis, anong magagawa mo? Sagot ka? Ay, hindi.
2 for 2 for Sir Wolfgang. Seconds. Out of bounds. Highness ball. Lamang ng 6 ang Yellow Falcons. Diretso. Pasa sa Roques. 3 versus 2. Nice hustle. Same ball. 17 seconds.
Bis, kamutin mo nga lang sa bandang letter M. Letter M.
17 seconds. Substitution left.
Letter M ba yan? Letter M?
17 seconds.
Letter T. Letter I pa lang.
3-point basket by Sir Leona.
Letter C, bis. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C yan. Andito yung letter C, oh.
Sir Leon nagtatawid ng bola. Pinasa kay Sir Roques. Pasa sa ilalim. Sir Ignacio. Pag-isa. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Mapa.
Dito, bis.
10 seconds.
Yan, ganon.
Sir Wolfgang, 3 versus 2. Ano gagawin ni Sir Wolfgang? Rebounded by Sir Kadigoy. Ano gagawin ni Sir Kadigoy? Pasa kay Sir Wolfgang. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Perimeter shot. Good.
Ang dami nangyayari. Okay lang yan,
Substitution rep. Timeout. Orange Highness.
Masakit yung ganyan. Tapos pilitin mo lang ganyan. Hindi ganyan. Yung parang nakakakilit.
Official score, 76-67. 9-point lead para sa Yellow Falcons.
Foul.
3 seconds. Good. 10 seconds.
Ay, nakita mo.
5 seconds. Out of bounds. Highness ball.
Sinasadya.
Enter into zero. Falcons ball. Robin.
Bing! Maano yan?
Last 2 minutes. Two points. Sir Wolfgang.
Ito lang yan, no?
Gumagamit ng oras ang Yellow Falcons. Wow! Rebound by Terrores. Foul! Counted! Substitution rep. Foul jersey number 28, Sir Hinova. And that's his 3rd personal foul and 4th team foul. Bonus shot for Sir Doques.
Tapusin nyo na yan. May kasama ng mic.
Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Seconds. Pass to Sir Ignacio. Wala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rebounded by foul. Who's foul rep? 24. Sir Ignacio. Pito ang hinahabol ng Orange Highness. Double dribble. Nice defense. Highness ball. Pagkakataon ng Highness, makadikit. Good. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Easy 2 points, Sir Rosales. seconds. Foul. Foul, jersey number 10, Sir Rosales. First personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Rojas. Timeout. Orange Highness. Official score, 79-73. 6-point lead po para sa Yellow Falcons. Two-point basket by Sir Catigor. Tatlo na lang ang inaabol. Foul! Foul, jersey number 10, Sir Rosales. That's his second personal foul and penalty.
Patayin mo yung isa.
Tatlo lang yan, tatlo. Akyat sa 4.
Sir, stop na tayo. Magkaiba ko lang. Ingat kami.
Foul!
Net catch mo habang ginagamit.
Sir Lamaka at second personal foul and penalty. Hello.
Kaya mo lang ayaw ano ba?
Foul! Foul, jersey number 10, Sir Rosales. Third personal foul and penalty. Last free throw, brought to you by Sir Focus. 15 seconds. Foul. Foul, jersey number 24, Sir Cadigor. Third personal foul and penalty.
Ayaw kasi. Magabi na schedule natin lahat. Sa final.
Official score, 83-77. 1.6.